How y'all doing? This is the day, cooking with Chef Jay. I switched it up on you. Me and Alani are over there somewhere, so come cook with me. Oh, there goes Nene. Hi, Nene. Saya, Mama. Daddy, okay? Here, this is what we doing. We got some cherry tomatoes blistering and a little bit of bacon fat. If you don't like bacon, guess what? This ain't for you. And then we also got a little bit of garlic, crushed red peppers, lemon zest. We're about to make a nice sauce to go along with our bucatini pasta and some grilled chicken. Check it out. Finish it off with a little bit of grilled chicken. Some blister Finish it with the sauce. Can't forget the parm. This is the day.